Turn your TikTok scrolling into a gold mine with this simple trick. Have you ever wondered if watching fun videos could actually fatten your wallet? Brewing up profits and possibilities. That's what we do here at the Business Cafe, your source for all things money making. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. We're about to dive into an incredible method that turned my casual TikTok scrolling into cold hard cash. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the keys to unlock a stream of income just by watching TikTok videos. Now imagine making around $500 online by simply enjoying TikTok content. It's not a dream, it's a reality. You can earn $4 for each TikTok video you watch. But wait, it gets better. Watch 2 videos and you'll earn $8. Watch 4 and you're looking at a cool $16. The potential doesn't stop there. You can even rake in up to $600 or more by watching more and more TikTok videos. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, let me assure you this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about leveraging the massive popularity of viral content on TikTok to your advantage. So grab your favorite beverage, hit that like button, and let's get started. First things first, head over to TikTok. In the search bar, type in viral funny videos. These videos garner millions of views, indicating high demand. Your goal is to tap into this demand to maximize your earnings. Stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how. Select a video that catches your eye, preferably one you genuinely enjoy. This is crucial because the key to success lies in choosing videos that resonate with you, knowing others will love them too. For this example, let's pick a video that seems promising. After watching the video to ensure its quality, take a screenshot. This screenshot will play a crucial role in the next steps. But remember, you're not limited to funny videos. This is just an example. You can apply this method to any type of video with high demand and millions of views. Now head over to Canva.com, a free and versatile design tool. Create an account and, using the dimensions 1080 by 1920, upload the screenshot you just took. Follow my lead as we craft an eye-catching image that will draw attention to your TikTok video. Add a catchy text like, "Oh my god, viral video." Change the font, color, and throw in a play button for good measure. Once satisfied, download the image. Congrats! You've just created a visual asset that will drive traffic and, ultimately, revenue. But how do you turn this into money? The answer lies in another powerhouse: Pinterest. Create an account on Painters.com, upload your image, and write a compelling title. Now here comes the trickiest part: adding a link. This is where ShrinkMe.io comes into play. Register, create a shortened link for your TikTok video, and copy it. Paste this link into your Pinterest pin, enticing viewers to click and watch. However, here's a little secret to enhance your earnings. If Pinterest doesn't accept links from ShrinkMe.io, use Linktree as a middleman. It will convert your ShrinkMe link into another link accepted by Pinterest, maintaining a smooth flow to your TikTok video. Every click on your link translates to money in your pocket. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and join the Business Cafe community. Now let's continue our journey into the world of earning money through TikTok. As we've set the stage for your potential earnings, it's essential to delve deeper into the mechanics of this strategy and uncover additional tips to maximize your income. Once you've published your pin on Pinterest, it's time to track the effectiveness of your efforts. Monitoring your Pinterest analytics can provide valuable insights into which pins are performing well and which might need a little boost. This information will help you refine your strategy and focus on content that resonates most with your audience. Now let's talk about the importance of consistency. The world of online earnings is dynamic, and to stay ahead, you need to be consistent in your efforts. Consider creating a schedule for watching and selecting TikTok videos, designing Canva images, and publishing on Pinterest. Consistency not only creates your chances of success, but also builds your online presence over time. To enhance your earnings, consider exploring different niches on TikTok. While viral funny videos are a great starting point, diversifying your content can open up new avenues. Use Google to discover the most viral niches on TikTok. and explore keywords related to those niches. This not only broadens your content horizon, but also increases your chances of hitting on a particular popular trend. Let's take a moment to appreciate the power of engagement. The more engaging your content, the longer viewers will stick around, and the higher your chances of earning. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your content. Engagement signals to algorithms that your content is valuable should be promoted, potentially leading to more views and consequently more earnings. As you continue on your journey of turning TikTok into a source of income, it's crucial to adapt and evolve. Keep an eye on trends, both on TikTok and Pinterest. What worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. Stay informed about the latest features on these platforms and adjust your strategy accordingly. Now let's address a common concern: viewer retention. Maximizing earnings from TikTok isn't just about attracting viewers, it's about keeping them engaged. Choose videos wisely, focusing those with compelling storytelling elements to maintain viewer interest. Enhance this by creating a narrative within your Canva image, with text that complements and boosts curiosity towards the video. This approach increases the likelihood of viewers staying longer in your content. Incorporate storytelling in your narrations, using personal anecdotes or success stories to engage and inspire your audience. This method transcends mere profit-making. It's about creating a sustainable online income stream. Engage with your community by sharing your journey and learning from others' experiences. The Business Cafe offers enduring strategies for building a lasting online presence. Now let's delve into the psychology of online consumer behavior. Understanding what motivates people to click, watch, and engage is a game changer. Tailor your Canva image and Pinterest pin to tap into these motivations. Use enticing phrases such as "watch now" or exclusive content to trigger a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Additionally, consider incorporating elements of social proof. Highlight testimonials or success stories from individuals who have found success using this method. This not only adds credibility to your content, but also instills confidence in viewers that they too can achieve similar results. As we move into the latter part of this video, it's time to address potential challenges and pitfalls. While this method has proven effective for many, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations. Earnings may vary, and success may not be immediate. Patience and persistence are key. Furthermore, stay informed about the terms of service on platforms like TikTok and Pinterest. Adapting to changes in policies or algorithms is crucial for maintaining a sustainable income stream. Join online communities or forums where individuals share updates and insights into these platforms. Now let's circle back to the heart of this strategy: the potential to make money online easily and effortlessly. The Business Cafe aims to empower you with practical knowledge that transcends the confines of this video. Keep exploring, experimenting, and evolving your approach to online earnings. As we conclude this video, I want to express my gratitude for joining us in the Business Cafe. If you found value in this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your feedback fuels our commitment to delivering quality insights and strategies. By doing so, you become a valued member of the Business Cafe community, where we are dedicated to helping you transform your leisure time into a source of income. Until next time, happy earning!